handsome?
Yes, you're so handsome and you look young.
Oh my God, you know, I'm blushing.
Laughing at your face.
I'm blushing.
Okay. Your cheeks.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand now.
In Tagalog,
Okay.
kinikilig.
In Tagalog, what?
Kinikilig. In English, grounded.
Kilig.
Yeah, grounded feelings like that.
Grounded feelings. That it's like electricity that you grounded.
Yeah,
I like that.
because I'm kilig-kilig. Like
I know
this.
now.
You know, like this, kilig.
I got kilig. I kilig also. I kilig also.
You kilig why? Why you so kilig?
Because you're so handsome.
Oh my God, you know
Yes.
you know I'm it's my pleasure that you say I'm a handsome. I think handsome is like handsome ng mukha like that. You know handsome ng mukha.
I'm trying to understand you because your connection is very weak.
My God.
Yeah, I'm sorry for that also.
It's okay. Wait. I will.
But I'm trying to understand you.
Oh, thank you for understanding me. It's my pleasure and
Yes.
I'm flattering. I'm flattered.
Yes, kuya. Ang galing mo mag-English, kuya.
Grabe ka, niloloko mo ko ate, marunong pala mag-Tagalog dyan. Ate, na-prank mo ako
Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo.
No, wag mo
Ang galing mo mag-English.
Wag mo akong ini-etos, ate.
Ayaw ko pa sana i-stop pero naglalag ka na kasi.
Pero mas magaling ka, ate. Grabe, pinagana mo na naman yung utak ko. Ay, baby side, grabe siya. Na-prank niya ako, guys. Puta na. Ano mo? Pero mukha kang
Unang prank is 2024. Thank you, Jessie.
Ay, thank you, guys. Sasabihin ko sana, I have tita. Ano ba ilisang tita? Tama, tita. Auntie. I have an auntie in Australia.
Aunt.
She's from Melbourne. Melbourne, Sydney ba? Tama ba ako? Yeah.
Yes. Melbourne.
Ayoko na.
Sydney.
Hindi ko na kaya mag-English. Feeling ko, teka lang Feeling ko tutuguin na ako eh. Alam mo kaya pala ako may tissue dito kasi My goodness.
Thank you, kuya.
Ay nako, walang naman ate. Sobrang nagagalak ako kasi napakaganda binibini yung tumanggap ng invitations ko. Ano ba tawag dito? PK line.
Yes.
Like that. Kahit pinahiyak mo ako. May nalalaman ka pang...
Sige, Jessie. Thank you po, kuya.
May nalalaman ka pang laglag. Lag ba ako, guys? Wait.
Lag ka. Sobrang lag. Kaya tinapos ko na din.
Ganun.
Jessie, balik ka. Ikaw yung taga-support ako.
Ay, grabe naman. Sana, pakisabi ng mga Jessie, sana maligaw din siya sa live ko para kahit kalahati lang nung 100.
Malilitaw yan si Jessie sa'yo.
Kasi, host din ako tulad ni Cam.
Sige na, kuya. Thank you po. Super lag ka talaga.
Sana mapalo back mo ako, ate. Okay lang ba?
Yes.
Para pwede kitang balikan.
Follow mo ko.
Oo, sige. Ipapalo din kita.
Follow ba kita?
Sige. Wait lang.
Yes.
Nagdalag na nga ako eh.
Bye.
Bye.